Hi everyone, it's Yamchon Food. I'm trying to catch fish for dinner in Osaka Bay. This time, I'm gonna share you how to cook the fish I caught after fishing. I'm preparing a terminal taco for fishing the day before so that I can do it as soon as I arrive at the fishing spot. Even beginners can easily set a tackle for float fishing by using this kit. Follow the instructions, tie the fishing line to the swivel, and lastly, tie the leader, which has a hook. If necessary, add a small sinker called gandama to the leader. I'm waiting for fish to get a bite. I caught a mackerel. Gorilla. I'm doing Ikejime. Ikejime is a Japanese original technique that keeps the fish meat fresh and delicious by making the fish brain dead. After destroying the brain, make a cut in the medulla oblongata and the base of the tail, drain the blood, and keep it cool. The catch this time is 16 mackerels and 1 gorilla. Since the freshness of mackerel drops quickly, I did ikejime on the fishing spot and cut the head off and removed the guts as a measure against anisakisu. After washing the fish cleanly, scale the fish and slit the belly open of the fish. Clean the fish for deep-fried food. At this time, if you were worried about small bones, remove them with tweezers for bones. Sprinkle some salt and pepper, cover it with flour, then dip it in beaten eggs and breadcrumbs separately. Deep fry the fish in oil at around 170 degrees Celsius until both sides are brown and crispy. Deep-fried mackerel is ready. Make a garnish by using white radish. The handmade radish garnish is more delicious, but this time I'd like to do it with this machine. Just turn the lever. It's super easy and quick. Soak the radish garnish in cold water. Scale of fish. Get the fish. Clean inside of the fish. Wipe off the moisture. Fillet the fish into 3 pieces. Remove the abdomen's bones. There are bones here too, so remove it. skin the fish. Place the garnish of radish and perilla leaves on the plate. Cut fillets in bite-sized pieces and serve the sashimi on a plate. Garnish it with sudachi. Add wasabi on the plate if you like. Sashimi is ready. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!